Alright, so we got this Ferrari Modena. The tyre has caught the lip here, pulled it down. It's actually done that on both sides, but I think the previous owner hammered the other side himself and it's cracked all the paint. This one hasn't been done, so we're hopefully going to save this one. We do actually have to hit this first with my nylon hammer. Once that's repaired and flush with the rest of it, that's when I bolt the roller on and start using the roller a little bit. But I do like I think I've got more control with my nylon hammer with that first. I've repaired the area, so now that even anyone who's got a fussy, keen eye is going to be able to see that. That looks fantastic, like it looks like it never happened. So that's the hammering side. The hammering side is definitely a lot less stress of the paint and the panel because it's a very localized pressure in a very localized area, sorry. And now we're going to use the roller, but that causes a lot more flex. So here. See how show the panel flexing from the outside. See how much the panel moves? Yeah, it's really nice and flush on right there now.